Hi there, this is gonna be a weird video. We are taking a look at a 3-in-1 visual ear pick. What the hell? Background of this, my father saw that one of his work colleagues had a really tiny USB camera that he could connect to his phone, and because they are working on repairing heating systems, in some cases it's really nice to have a tiny camera that you can put inside that and see details that you cannot see by yourself directly because there's not enough room. And it seems he bought that for less than $10. Well, I was tasked to find something similar and found this thing which was about $5. And it seemed to look exactly the same as the ones that were $10, because all of them were made in China and the price was just whatever the reseller wanted to put on them. It was never advertised that it's a visual ear pick. Absolutely not. Everybody said that the cable itself is quite thin, so it's not like an endoscope camera where you can bend the cable at an angle and it will stay like that. No, this thing is really thin, so yeah, either you just hold on to it or try to push it by a thin cable or make something that makes it a bit stiffer. I don't know, we'll see about that. But yeah, it can in theory connect to Android and also to Windows. I'm not going to connect it to a laptop because nobody carries a laptop with him when working. So, but Android phones, yeah, and it seems it has a Type-C connector. Let's get to it. HD, yeah, for sure it's HD. I'm expecting VGA quality, honestly, but we'll see about that. So we have something in here. I have no freaking clue what these are. This one, yeah, makes sense. This is a protection. And this, Jesus, are these actually for picking up wax from your ears? What the hell? Anyway, that's not what this is going to be used for. A really freaking tiny camera. But I need to connect it to the phone and see its quality, which again will be quite crap, but hopefully enough for our needs. I have no clue what happened here. Doesn't matter anyway. USB type 2. USB 2.0 actually. Adapter to microSD and to Type-C. And user manual, and yes, we will install on my father's phone software for this. I'm going to try and find one on Google Play, so I don't download it from who knows what weird website. A little bit of info right in here. So they sell many different diameters. This is a really freaking tiny one, and that's great. Resolution, yeah, I'm sure of it. Maybe the bigger diameters have better resolution, but I kind of doubt it. It's Chinese stuff. I don't freaking trust it at all. And yes, they come with different size cables. I got the one with 1 meter because otherwise it wouldn't make sense to connect it to a mobile phone because you are not going to be, I don't know, 5 meters away from it. Angle of view, okay. 5-volt power, yep. XP, yeah, we can install this on XP, but not on Windows 11. Boo-hoo. This is the photo and video format. Up. On camera. Okay, we are going to be searching for that on Google Play, I guess. And see what comes up. What's in here? Why? Ah, okay, I'll be back in a second. And here is all the info. If you have guts, you can scan the code, but who knows where it will take you. So I'm going to search for it on Google Play. For Windows, a bit more info. That's where you can download it. I don't care about that, honestly. And it seems they have a lot of models. A freaking lot of models. I wasn't expecting this. I think these are for dentists. Yeah, anyway, cool. Well, maybe it would be nice to have something like this at home. You can check your own tooth, anyway, to see if everything is fine. But we have this AN101. Okay, I guess. But where's that on the cable? Nowhere to be found. Standard Chinese stuff. Reality doesn't match the pictures. Look at one line in there, 3 lines in here. Anyway, this should be attached. We have it in here in a bag. Yeah, nothing matches properly, but it's similar enough. Let's get the app and see what we have here. Found the app and surprised. 1 star. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what we get. Most reviews were this app is not working anymore. We'll see. Okay, installed the app. Oh. To make photographs and record video, sadly, yes, while using the app. Wait for the camera to connect. I'm just going to try and connect it on video. Hopefully I can do it without damaging anything. Okay, so it wasn't all the way in. Now it's also on right here. Open the app when we connect this. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Any image? Come on, give up. Freaking awesome image. Yeah, it's perfect image. Wait. Cancel that. So I'm basically on my phone, not on my father's phone, and I installed another app, and this thing seems to be working. Yes, it's crap. The resolution is what it is, 640 by 480. But this thing is actually doing something. Although obviously you need to rotate the camera to align with reality, because otherwise it's really difficult to get an image. But yeah, let's say we want to look into the audio port on this phone and see how yucky everything is. You can also see my hand in the background, although this focus is really close. Yeah, you can freaking see into this audio port. So it's, let's say, less bad compared to what I noticed until now. Let me try again on my father's phone with this app. Maybe it's just an app problem, not a camera problem. For $5, if it will work like this also on his phone, good enough. This is the app, and as you can see, much better reviews. Let's install it on my father's phone also and see. Then I will also test with the original adapter and not with the good Samsung one. Maybe even with this one it will work. But the problem was the app. Who knew? We'll see. Let's go through all that bullshit once again. Phone supports on the go, because if it doesn't have on the go, it will not work. It told me something. Finish the app. What? And my father has an alarm. Stop it. Allow. Always open the app. Allow this. Okay. Jesus. What? And again open it. Will it freaking work this time? While using the app. What the hell? Only went through this once. Don't tell me it's not working on my father's phone and the problem is that it's not really compatible with this phone. Or maybe I connected the stupid adapter. Let me connect the Samsung again. Chinese crap adapter. Yeah, with the Samsung it seems it's working just good, just perfectly. Also on my father's phone. Okay, a hair. What the hell? Okay, so a single hair looks huge. Interesting. But yes, you always correct the orientation by rotating the camera itself, which is decent. Let's see, can we see the wire inside of this? Yeah, we can. Okay, don't get me wrong, this is kind of crap. But for $5, yeah, less crap than I expected. Let me try something. Let's get this right here. Let's look under this bag. Correct the orientation. And we are now looking under this bag. Okay, I guess this is working at the end. Yeah, get the wax out of that ear. Do not put this in your ears. Jesus. But yeah, you have an attachment to poke around something. Scrape. Who knows what? That's freaking weird, but it is working. This, I have no clue what it is for. This again, it's the cover. When you are finished using it, you cover it up so you don't scratch the lens itself any day now. So that makes sense. This one, honestly, I don't freaking know. Anyway. And a piece of soft cloth to clean this from time to time. But yeah, overall, we have a working camera. Let's see it film the pixels. Can it do that? No, it's just filming the glass. Cool. And the debris is next to the glass. Yeah, it's a cheap, stupid thing, but it works. Although that adapter was crap, so I'm giving this to my father. Luckily I had it in the car. I have many others, so for me it's the same thing. And that's about it for this video. So you can get a somewhat endoscopic camera for $5 that for particular jobs, honestly, it's good enough. If you just need to look inside of something through a hole, we'll kind of do it, although again, this is made to focus decently close. So at a higher distance it loses focus, but my endoscope camera, which is, I will link in the description, also kind of does this. They are mostly made to focus up close. But you can still somewhat realize what you are looking at even at a distance. And yeah, that's about it. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.